Coffee is one of those things that I truly don't think I could live without. Today, I am going to show you how I like to make coffee. Of course, one of the first things you need to have is your favorite kind of coffee. And then, the way I prefer it is to get myself a quarter of a cone and get one of these great little cone filters. And I prefer the brown filters over the white filters. Well, next, you can get your scoop of coffee. The nice thing about using a cone pour over is that, you can make your coffee as strong or as weak as you like. So here we go. I now have my coffee in my filter. Well, boil your water in your favorite way. This time I decided to use a pan. And then, as you can see, I will take my boiling hot water and I'll just pour it right into the cone. Be careful here. Needless to say, it's hot water. But watch this. As you pour the water right through the cone, it comes down here on the bottom, and boy, you can make yourself a really great cup of coffee. Well, that's about it. Why don't you guys go out and enjoy yourself a really great cup of coffee. Have a great day, everybody.